In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best SDR transceivers available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the SDR transceivers mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, R1.02W USDX V2 SDR Transceiver. The R1.02W USDX V2 is a compact, all-mode HF SDR transceiver ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and ham radio hobbyists. With a high-precision TCXO for accurate KDS frequency stability, it supports multiple bands and CWQRP operations. Its open-source firmware enables customization and experimentation. Versatile interfaces for CAT, PTT-out, mic/key, and K-head microphone expand its usability for field or bench operations. Great for portable ham setups or tech tinkerers. Number 4, Xiegu G90 20W HF SDR Transceiver. The Xiegu G90 is a full-featured SDR transceiver delivering up to 20W RF power, ideal for amateur radio enthusiasts seeking performance and portability. It features a built-in auto antenna tuner for simplified operation, a high-resolution spectrum display with plus or minus 24K bandwidth, and exceptional receive/transmit clarity. With its modular design, detachable display, and strong signal handling, the G90 is well suited for both base stations and field use. Number 3, HAMGEEK Pluto SDR Transceiver. The HAMGEEK Pluto SDR radio transceiver is designed for radio professionals and engineers working in the 70 MHz to 6 GHz frequency range. Powered by a Xiegu 7010 FPGA and a precise VCTCXO 40 MHz, 0.5 ppm, it offers 2 TX/2 RX channels, micro SD boot, and USB power. This advanced SDR platform is ideal for lab testing, waveform experiments, and custom protocol development. Flexible and powerful, it's perfect for demanding RF applications. Number 2, Xiegu G106C 5W HF SDR Transceiver. The Xiegu G106C is a compact, entry-level HF SDR transceiver ideal for exploring SSB, CW, and digital modes. It offers general coverage reception from 0.55 to 30 MHz and supports WFM broadcast from 88 to 108 MHz. With a 5W transmit power, rugged build, and user-friendly interface, it's a solid option for those looking to operate on popular HF amateur bands. Portable, reliable, and affordable, it's great for learning and light portable operation. Number 1, Radioberry version 2.0 SDR Transceiver for Raspberry Pi. The Radioberry version 2.0 is a plug-and-play SDR transceiver board compatible with Raspberry Pi 3B and 4B, designed for SDR enthusiasts and makers. Supporting HF spectrum analysis and transmission, it comes pre-flashed with a 32 GB TF card for instant setup. Its compact form factor and open-source community support make it perfect for experimentation, remote operations, or as a learning platform for radio DSP technology. Great for Raspberry Pi hobbyists.